Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of printer ink cartridges, specifically the HP 8028E ink cartridges. If you're in need of reliable ink for your HP OfficeJet Pro printer, you're in the right place because we've found the best option for you. Introducing the 910XL ink cartridges by Q-Image. These cartridges are not only compatible with a wide range of HP OfficeJet Pro printers, including the 8028E series, but they also come with a host of features that make them stand out from the competition. First off, let's talk about compatibility. These cartridges are specifically designed to work seamlessly with HP OfficeJet Pro 8028E printers, ensuring hassle-free installation and optimal performance. But what really sets these cartridges apart is their smart chip technology. Equipped with the latest smart chips, these cartridges are able to communicate with your printer, preventing any compatibility issues or errors, even in the face of firmware updates. And let's not forget about yield. With a page yield of up to 1200 pages for black ink and 1000 pages for each color, you can tackle all your printing needs without constantly worrying about running out of ink. Now, let's talk about value. With this combo pack, you'll receive 4 cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, all for a competitive price that won't break the bank. That's right, you're getting high-quality ink at a fraction of the cost of OEM cartridges, without sacrificing performance or reliability. So, if you're tired of constantly shelling out big bucks for printer ink, it's time to make the switch to Q-Image 910XL ink cartridges. With their compatibility, smart chip technology, high yield, and unbeatable value, they're truly the best HP 8028E ink cartridges on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy printing!